Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can find saved videos on TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. And before getting started, make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version. First of all, you need to log in into your TikTok account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. And right at the bottom, you'll be able to see a list of icons. So you need to click on the profile icon. As you click on the profile icon, you'll be directed to the profile page, and after that, right in center, once again you'll be able to see a multiple icon, and on the second last option you'll be able to see a bookmark icon. Click on it. As you click on it, you'll be able to see the videos that you've saved, and in order to watch it, just click on the thumbnail and then you'll be able to see your saved videos. So that is how you can find saved videos on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.